gambling-driven crime.
That concludes questions to members. Members, point of order, Honourable Trevor Mallard. Yes, well, I have received a letter from the Honourable Clayton Cosgrove seeking to debate under Standing Order 386 the Cabinet's decision today that an order in Council is to be made to provoke Maori court action. The urgent debate procedure is a means of debating matters that have occurred. For there to be a particular case of recent occurrence, there must be either a new situation of importance or a new development in an existing situation of sufficient importance in itself to warrant setting aside the business of the House. A proposal to discuss a continuing matter such as this is not one contemplated by Standing Order 386 as a particular case of recent occurrence. Furthermore, an application cannot be accepted when to do so would inevitably involve a breach of the rule against referring to a matter pending adjudication in any court. The application is therefore declined. Point of order, Trevor Mallard. Honourable Trevor Mallard.
Mr. Speaker, before you put the House in committee on the alcohol reform bill, can I seek from you a statement, a clear statement about which votes you have decided are to be personal votes and which are not, and also an indication as to where some parties are having conscience votes and others aren't, and you have decided that they will be party votes and not personal votes, whether or not a bell will ring, because I know that some members are going to be listening to the debate in committee before committing themselves to a particular position. And the third leg of the treble, if you like, Mr. Speaker, is an indication that although in some cases there will be a split party vote, individual members are still able, notwithstanding the fact that the party has voted on a split basis, to vote as individuals under the category any other vote.
I thank the member for the point of order because we do need some clarification around these points. All members will have received from the Speaker a list of those votes that will be deemed personal votes, and I'll just, there's 5 of them, I'll just run through them now. The sinking lid of licences, and that's Tuaroa Flavel, SOP 81, to Clause 35B, that's 1. A ban on off-licences within 1 kilometre of schools, that's SOP 107. 3. Reduced trading hours, that's Tuaroa Flavel Bill, SOP 81. Reduced trading hours, Andrew Little, SOP 110. And requiring regulations to ban sale of RTDs when they contain more than 5% of alcohol. Those are the 5. And I will expect that those chairing each session in the House will make very clear as we approach those what procedures will be in relation to the ringing of bells and the various procedures that will take place in relation to the votes at the time. I think we want to have a very clear understanding of what the outcomes will be, and that will be made clear from the chair, rather than, because some of these are some time ahead and there may be even some developments, but I expect members will have a very clear understanding at the time. I hope that answers the member's question.
There were two further matters, and that is votes which you have indicated you are not going to allow a personal vote on, but which some parties in the House have a conscience vote on, and whether or not a bell will be rung for those, sir. And then the next question is, for those votes, although I understand that members have given proxies to other members for the party votes, as you have indicated, whether there is provision for members who want to wait and listen to the debate to then vote in the category of any other vote.
There can only be a party or personal vote. The bells are rung only for a personal vote. Party or collective voting has not been removed from the ultimate right of a member to vote on any question he or she sees fit. Where a party vote is held, all members will be able to vote, but will be a member's responsibility to be present and have a party vote issued. Right, so it's up to the individuals. Right, a call now on Government Order of the Day number 1.